Spending 10 days in Greece offers a perfect balance of exploring ancient history, stunning beaches, and breathtaking islands. Here's a well-rounded itinerary to help you make the most of your time in this beautiful country. Our Greek adventure begins in Athens. This is the cradle of Western civilization. Today we explore the Acropolis. Wow, look at the Parthenon. In the afternoon, we'll wander through Plaka. As the sun sets, we'll enjoy dinner with a view. The next morning, we journey to the ancient Agora. This was the heart of Athenian life. In the afternoon, we visit the Acropolis Museum. These treasures connect us to the past. For a special evening, let's enjoy a traditional Greek dinner. We'll be entertained by live music and dancing. As our time in Athens ends, let's reflect on the incredible history we've experienced. Day 2, Delphi and Meteora, where gods and monks meet. Get ready for a scenic drive. We're leaving Athens and heading to Delphi. This UNESCO World Heritage Site was once considered the center of the world. Picture ancient Greeks consulting the oracle here. We'll explore the Temple of Apollo and the theater. The views from here are breathtaking. After lunch, we continue to Kalambaka. This charming town is near the Meteora monasteries. Prepare to be amazed. Meteora's monasteries seem to defy gravity. They're perched on towering rock pillars. Tomorrow, we'll explore these incredible feats of engineering and faith. We'll learn about the monks' secluded lives. Today, we'll immerse ourselves in the spiritual atmosphere of Meteora. We'll visit the monasteries of Great Meteoron and Varlam. These are the largest and most impressive. The religious icons and frescoes inside are beautiful. As we leave Meteora, we'll carry the serenity of this place with us. Day 3, Santorini's embrace, romance, and volcanic beauty. Get ready for breathtaking beauty. We're flying to Santorini, a stunning volcanic island. Get ready for iconic whitewashed houses and blue-domed churches. Our hotel overlooks the caldera. This is the flooded crater of a volcano. Imagine the power of the eruption that shaped this island. Today, we explore Oya. It's famous for its sunset views. Let's wander the narrow streets. We'll find charming shops and cafes. This afternoon, we can relax on the black sand beaches. The volcanic history of the island is evident here. As the sun sets, let's find the perfect spot to capture the magical colors. Santorini is known for its romantic sunsets. Today, we're exploring the island's history. We'll visit the archaeological site of Acropolis. It's a Minoan town preserved by volcanic ash. It's like stepping back in time. This afternoon, we'll indulge in a wine tasting. Santorini's volcanic soil produces unique wines. This evening, we'll savor a delicious meal by the Aegean Sea. Mykonos, sunsets, windmills, and island life. Get ready for the cosmopolitan charm of Mykonos. Famous for its vibrant nightlife and picturesque scenery, explore Mykonos town's whitewashed streets and colorful houses. See the iconic windmills once used to mill grain. Stop for lunch at a charming taverna. Enjoy fresh seafood and local delicacies. Relax on one of Mykonos's famous beaches. Find a perfect spot to watch the sunset. The sky erupts in colors over the Aegean Sea. Experience Mykonos's legendary nightlife with music and dancing. Day 5, crafting your Greek Odyssey, travel tips and alternatives. Our Greek adventure is almost over, but the memories will last a lifetime. Greece offers something for everyone. Want to customize your trip? Here are some ideas. History buffs can delve deeper into Greece's past. Visit Olympia, the birthplace of the Olympic Games. Explore the ruins of the Palace of Knossos in Crete. It's connected to the myth of the Minotaur. Nature lovers will be captivated by Greece's beauty. Hike the Samaria Gorge in Crete. It's a stunning natural wonder. Explore the beaches and coves of the Ionian Islands. They offer turquoise waters and lush greenery. Foodies, get ready for a culinary adventure. Take a cooking class and learn to make traditional Greek dishes. Visit local markets and sample regional specialties. Don't forget to savor the fresh seafood. Day 6, memories etched in Aegean blue. Until next time, Greece. As our journey comes to an end, we're leaving with hearts full of memories. We've explored ancient ruins, soaked up the sun on beautiful beaches, and experienced the warmth of Greek hospitality. We've tasted delicious food, danced under the stars, and created memories that will last a lifetime. Greece, with its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes, has captured our hearts. We hope this itinerary inspires you to embark on your own Greek adventure. Whether you follow in our footsteps or forge your own path, Greece promises an unforgettable experience. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your dream trip to Greece today. Until next time, Greece, we'll be back for more of your beauty, history, and charm.